All right, looks like these guys are waiting to leave. I don't know where they're going, but there's all these taxis. It costs 15 pesos to catch a taxi. This one looks like it's going to Centro. Hola. Hola. It's a nice day in Tijuana, and I'm over here on Revolution Boulevard and Emiliano Zapata. Looks like they're working on that building. I wonder what that building's going to be. We have the Carlos Jr. here, Hotel Cesar, Caesars. That fast, yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking about, I don't know, investing in getting another GoPro.
All right, guys, I'm going to show you my room in the Valerio Hotel. This is just a basically standard room, and it comes with a queen size bed, 2 nightstands, of course, pretty standard, and then it has a table here that you can put your stuff on. What's interesting, all these rooms, they're not all standard as far as the furniture is concerned, but, you know, they each have their own setup, different furniture. There's a little stand right here. Here's the bathroom right here. Oops. One thing I don't like about this bathroom is that I don't think there's enough lighting, but other than that, it's pretty good. And then you have the turn the bathroom here. Shower, pretty standard shower here. They don't really give you a place to put your soap and your shampoo, which I don't like. And the towel rack's over here, so it's a little odd. You have to kind of get out of the shower to reach for your towel. Then of course there's the toilet. The one thing I didn't like here is that they put the toilet roll or the toilet paper holder in the back of the toilet, which is kind of weird. So this is the standard room. Also, you've got closet space right here, and they don't provide any hangers, which is kind of weird. So the hotel is probably it's a good hotel to stay at, considering the price. It ranges anywhere from $50 to $70 a night, and you can connect YouTube to the TV, which I have here. I have Gabriel Traveler on right now. There's Gabriel. So this hotel has about, I think, 4 levels of 4 floors. Has a spa over here, and there's a gym too, which is pretty cool. And it looks like they have banquet space too, sala de juntas. But they're doing the laundry right here. Here's another room. I think someone left out of that one. I like this hallway, it's very roomy. Oh, I can slide by here real quick. Okay, made it. We got the Christmas tree up already. So this is what it looks on the inside. Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
Doing good.
You feeling better?
Oh yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, I needed
come on in, man. That's okay. You be part of my. I'll ask you just a quick question. So, my friend here, we met from Texas. Your name is Darren, right?
Yeah.
Hey, Darren. So, what do you think of the hotel, man? What's your opinion?
Say again?
What's your opinion of the hotel?
Oh, it's great.
Yeah?
Great spot.
Yeah? Cool.
To come in, enjoy, and
See the,
also, you know, get away from the strip.
oh, yeah, exactly. I hear you.
Yeah.
There's a nice little restaurant here. There's the front desk. Like, tree up here. Keep those over here. All right, guys. So this is the hotel. Here's the restaurant right here. Let's walk in and see the restaurant. Got people working on the. Got some digital nomads here. Hey, guys.
Hey, the man, the myth.
The man, the myth, the legend's here.
He's made it.
This is the restaurant right here, guys.
Getting content for you guys.
Yeah. All right, guys. Come out to the Hotel Valerio. It's a nice hotel. Look at this. Look at this. What they're eating over here. It looks pretty bit meaty. Wow. Okay, so I went to a dentist here in Tijuana, and it was located here just off of Constitution and Carril Puerto. So it's like 3rd Street and Constitution. I think they opened up like around 9 or 10, but where these security guards are standing, you can see, let me just switch it around here. That door right there is where they're standing at, so I just stopped by this dentist place. I don't know if they're, I guess there's a couple dentist office, and she said there's the consultation's free, but to do it, filling would be cost like $30. So these are this Lacimento, Frenos, Porcelana, Resina. In fact, it's called Resina, so Resina.